Let it close, ma'am, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
We thank the Honorable Minister Shri Lakshmanapuri for releasing the coffee table book. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for the honor. Thank
बहुत ही सुंदर ड्रेसिंग, मार्चिंग और साइकिंग गोली की रफ्तार से अपने गर्दन को सामने की ओर लेते हुए और यह बटालियन का पाइप बैंड कमांड कर रहे हैं एबीएसआई वीरेंद्र बाशुमत्री और एबीएसआई स्टारसन मारक।
The fight band of 1st Battalion Meghalaya Police is led by ABSI Virendra Basmutri and ABS.
Give them a big round of applause. बहुत ही सुंदर प्रदर्शन। ड्रेसिंग और मार्चिंग।
Welcome, Messiah White. Number 3 contingent is led by ABSI Andaning Nauro. Number 4 contingent is led by ABSI Samsung Switch Sangma. Number 5 contingent is led by WP ABSI Masakai Sangma. Salute given to our honorable chief guest. The parade commander have seek the permission.
आज्ञा प्रदान करे। श्रीमान, जय श्रीमान।
Thank you. Golden Jubilee celebration of 1st Battalion Meghalaya Police, of course showing the really.
May God bless the Meghalaya Battalion today and the professionalism slowly will be. Just want to say right now, police is not unemployment. So that because by empowering the police department, it is like empowering the people who serve the society so that peace or crime in the state could be reduced as much as possible. Once again, I am very thankful to the Special Director General of Police who have in these last few months under her guidance, the police department have able to achieve many things. And at this juncture, I want to say something with my media friend, which is not related to police department. In the last few days and few weeks, the students of the state, they are in dilemma because of the sudden introduction of the Central University entrance test, whereby admission into the Central University and the Appleton College should be done as per through CUET. I'm very happy the continuous process of the government of Meghalaya, and today in the afternoon, where Honorable Chief Minister have a meeting with the Education Minister, Government of India. It is clarified that the athletic college are exempted from CUET. But those who are desire, the students who desire to pursue a degree course, like in Nahu, LLB 5-year course is done in Nahu, they still have to do the CUET. But for athletic college or the government or government-aided college, they are exempted. It is up to them to choose that CUET entrance test or score. So I'm very happy that the Union Ministry Education have understand the problem which the student and the state as a whole. So it is agreed that to exempt this student from applying CUET, provided they don't stick directly to the central university. Friend, in this gathering, I once again am very to celebrate the achievement of this battalion in the last 50 years. I pay my tribute to the service rendered by the past personnel, the retired personnel of this battalion, and also the present. In this last 50 years, I'm sure all the personnel of this battalion have served with dignity, responsibility, and the best for the state. It is because of the service rendered by them that the police department as a whole could overcome so many challenges at hand. Policing nowadays, as the commandant has already mentioned, it is very difficult. It is very challenging in this new world order. The police personnel are living in a glass house where everybody trying to judge what they are doing and what they are in discharging their duties. As we know, in the age of digital era, where is mandated by the Supreme Court that all the Thana should be installed with CCTV and all the crime scene have to be videographed, photographed, and all the activities have to be properly recorded so that anything happen and anything which they are doing could be substantiated. Why it is like that? It is because police is for the society, and society needs policing, but there is always a mistrust between the society and the action of police, no matter what. Having said that, it is because of the selfless sacrifice made by the policeman that we are able here today. The Makraya police as a whole has achieved many things in the past and also now, but it's a continuous process. The dynamic of crime is changing, the dynamic of investigation is changing, and the dynamic of presenting of charge sheet is changing. I'm very happy that the police department as a whole are alive to the situation, and they have empowered themselves to meet all these challenges. On the law and order front, we have seen that in the past many days, this few years, the crime has subsided. Subside is not only because of the endeavor of the police, it is also because the society as a whole they want that peace should prevail in the state of Meghalaya. And not only that, we have seen that in most of the crime which happen, be in Shillong or in another part of the state, the police department able to track, able to nab many of the culprits. I'm very happy that even the SNLC has agreed without condition to have a talk so that amicable solution could be arrived, so that peace and tranquility could be there in the state of Meghalaya. Having said that, it is not very easy as a policeman, as I said before, that every action, there is always a reaction. But I'm very happy that the personnel, in spite of many challenges, in spite of many criticism, in spite of many things, they are doing their duty dutifully.
Yet all the issues, from small to bigger ones, like militancy, were handled 24/7 for the safety and security of the state. And through it all, sir, you have supported us and been the driving force to encourage Meghalaya Police to strive harder and to achieve the best. On this auspicious occasion, I take this opportunity to greet and a special mention to the following three officers. Srimati Ira Shisha Nongrang IPS, who commanded 1st Battalion from 16 April 1999 to 2nd February 2002. From day one, ma'am has supported us to make this day a grand success. Rare is the person who goes out of her way to take personal interest in the nitty-gritty of the arrangement, and rarer still is one who would not speak of the good she has done. Ma'am Ida is one such exceptional individual. Shri W.R. Marbanyang IPS retired, who commanded 1st Battalion from 3rd March 1981 to 28 June 1982. Mr. W.R. Marbanyang has always been a source of inspiration and guidance for us, and he was a pillar of strength as we tried to bring this program to fruition. Shri B.R. Rana IPS retired, who has pardoned himself for not being able to attend because he's down with a very severe flu, but he also commanded the 1st Battalion from the 31st October 1994 to 16 April 1999. When informed of the plans to celebrate this 50 years of 1st Battalion, Mr. Rana had evinced a keen interest in the endeavor and immediately offered to support us in every possible way, and he did just that. We are indeed blessed to have such an inspiring team of leaders. Last but not the least, I also welcome the Hetman Mawiong Umjapung, Shri Tony Harkungor, the Hetman Mawiong Rim, representatives from media and press.
आगे पैक कमांड, बारी बारी से प्लाटून
Contingent will give a salute to the Honorable Chief Guest on dais on march.
बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन। मैं रिक्वेस्ट टू गिव देम अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज। थैंक यू। बहुत ही सुंदर। बहुत ही सुंदर प्रदर्शन। रेसिंग मार्च। गोली की रफ्तार से अपने गर्दन को दाहिने मुख्य अतिथि महोदय को देखते हुए। धन्यवाद। महिला कंटिजेंट कमांड कर रहे हैं करीब मौसम शर्मा। इनके पीछे अंतिम कंटिजेंट महिला एएसआई कमांड कर रही है WBAB ASI 1 समर्थन।
Number 6 contingent is led by WPABSI 1 Sukmartha, who is a mountaineer and an Everester. She scaled Mount Everest on 18 May 2013 at 8:30 a.m. and unfurled the unit flag on top of Mount Everest.
और इनके पीछे फर्स्ट बटालियन का पाइप पे जिसका नेतृत्व कर रहे कमांड कर रहे हैं बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन।
चल निकटला चल। ब्रेड सच मध्य सच।
Please salute. Thank you. बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन, शस्त्र का बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन यहाँ पर इस शपथ के साथ ही आखिर क्यों ना फर्स्ट बटालियन। धन्यवाद महोदय। आप सभी देख रहे हैं कसम लेने के साथ ही शस्त्र का बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन यहाँ पर आप सभी देखे ड्रोन कैमरा इस ऐतिहासिक पल को कैद करते हुए कैमरा में रिकॉर्ड करते हुए बहुत ही बेहतरीन नजारा यहाँ को शस्त्र का बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन एलएमजी का बस्ट फायरिंग, स्टैंड ग्रेनेड का।
मैं भारत के संविधान और कानून के नीचे वफादारी से रहूंगा। अन्य भारत बख्शियों के साथ मिलकर रहूंगा। मेरे अधिकारी मुझे जो हुक्म देंगे ईमानदारी के साथ पालन रहूंगा। मेघालय पुलिस के नाम को हमेशा उच्चा रहूंगा। ईश्वर मेरे मदद करे।
I request Srimati CLMI IPS Commandant of 1st Battalion to please administer the Swana Devas oath.
बचाओ छाछ ब्रेड निशान तले अपने कार्रवाई शुरू कर।
निशान टोली headed by ADSI Harkesh Sabam, National Flag Bearer Havaldar Deboteran, Havaldar Manavendra Ghosh, Havaldar Jitan Klen, Havaldar Kiran Gogoi, Havaldar Dud Damalam, and Nayak Monument Sagma. Unit Flag Bearer Lance Naik Tiplan Takha, Lance Naik Esterwan Pasley, Lance Naik Pavel Kharvane, Lance Naik Haran Brahma, Unpaid Lance Naik Yoroni Dare, Unpaid Lance Naik Vinit Rudrapur, and Scott Petty, BNC Biswajit Ghosh, BNC Shamal Marmal और BNC राजू जी मोमिन। आप सभी देख रहे हैं बड़ा ही सुंदर प्रदर्शन निशान टोली का अपने साथ 6 राष्ट्रीय ध्वज आगे की ओर और इनके पीछे 6 इस यूनिट के ध्वज को लेकर धीरे चाल से बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन आज के इस स्वर्ण जयंती परेड समारोह पर इनका धीरे चाल से ADSI हरकेश सावम के नेतृत्व में आगे की ओर निशान टोली क्रमशः 5वीं कंटिजेंट को पार करते हुए बटालियन का 5 बैंड से कमांड कर रहे हैं ADSI वीरेंद्र माशीमत्री। बड़ा ही मधुर
national salute to the Honorable Chief Guest and reported to him for the parade.
तभी और सजना फ्लाइट कमांडर असिस्टेंट कमांडर नूरजमान सेकेंड पीएस मुख्य अतिथि महोदय को जनरल सेलर से सम्मानित कर और इस परेड को रिपोर्ट कर चुके हैं और वापस अपने
नंबर 1 परेड क्लासी फायर के डिजाइन परेड पर हाजिर है श्रीमान जय श्रीमान श्रीमान श्रीमान
Number 2 contingent is led by gentlemen. Very good afternoon and a hearty welcome to all present here on this golden Jubilee celebration.
तभी और सजना मैं आप सभी को इस परेड का संक्षिप्त विवरण से इस प्रकार दे रहा हूँ आप देखिए परेड करते हैं इन्होंने अपनी साइंस ग्रेजुएट की शिक्षा सेंट एडमंड्स कॉलेज से प्राप्त की और मेघालय सरकार में 11 देवी और सजनों जैसे कि आप सभी ने देखा